One of the things birds need best is water. Sometimes any type of water would do. This robin is taking a bath in some muddy water. But then this robin needs to dry off from that water that helped it, and so it can fly away from predators quicker and more. But it does take a lot of work, so it takes its time and preens its feathers. Then it decides to fly off. Then it landed here. Preening is a very important part for birds. It helps clean their feathers so each one is good for flight, and it helps get off parasites and more. And for this robin, it is company, because a cardinal just arrived. And the robin was okay with Mr. Cardinal. You can tell a cardinal is a male because it's all red. And this robin got what it needed. Birds, though, sometimes come to the backyard for more reasons. A species of woodpecker I hadn't seen in my yard came here for food. It decided to eat sunflower seeds. It's called a red-bellied woodpecker. It's called that because if you look closely, you can see a faint bit of red on the other side pretty. It's good at climbing trees because it has two claws that face forward and one that faces backward. And it has a little bit of red on its head. The more red there is, the more chance it's a male. And it has a pretty long beak that it can use to peck at wood or to grab some sunflower seeds to eat. But it doesn't eat all of the seeds, because what if the feeders aren't available later? So it finds places in the tree bark and puts some seeds there so it can eat the seeds later. It's called caching. The American tree sparrow. Sometimes small flocks will go together and they hunt for seeds. Usually you can see them in North America in the winter, or before they get ready to go south. Since not a lot of people know about them, their population is kind of going in steep decline. Some populations, though, seem to be going up. For every bird feeder, there's one enemy, the fox squirrel, that can sneak into feeders. But sometimes they fight among themselves. These gray squirrels are actually very smart because they can figure out how to get to bird feeders. But especially when it's winter, you never know when your next meal waits. So they might fight about it to see who gets the right to get the food. Having a fight in the trees means the squirrels need to be acrobatic, but even if they fall, they lock their eyes on a landing point, make themselves like parachutes. They can survive a fall. Kind of like earlier though, squirrels sometimes need to groom themselves too, so their fur can be clean and they can have no parasites, and more. These squirrels, it looks like, decided to share. Well, kind of.